Hey guys, welcome back to my cooking kitchen. I don't know if you knew this, but I have a bunny. Her name is Rosemary and she's so cute. And today it is her birthday. She's turning 2 years old. And in honor of Rosemary, I will be making a carrot cupcake with a cream cheese frosting. The ingredients you'll need to make this carrot cupcake are 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of peeled grated carrots, 1 1/4 cups of canola oil, 4 eggs, and in this bowl I mixed together 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And in this bowl I have 2 teaspoons of baking soda. For the frosting you will need 2 cups of confectioner sugar, 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. We just got the 2-pack, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. Let's put it all together. Now we are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we are going to line our cupcake tins. And I have this really pretty lavender purple cupcake liner. Okay, so now we are going to mix our baking soda and all of our spices and salt with the flour and just mix it up. Okay, so now we have a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, and we are going to mix our sugar and our oil together. Okay, so now we are going to add our eggs one at a time. Now we are going to pour in our flour mixture. Now we are going to add our carrots, and you do not want to overmix it. Okay, so now we have our cupcake pan. We are just going to take an ice cream scoop and scoop it in. Now we are going to put our cupcakes in the oven for 14 to 18 minutes. So now we are going to make our frosting. We have 2 packages of cream cheese. They're 8-ounce packages. We're just gonna put it in a stand mixer with a whisk attachment. Now we are going to put our stick of unsalted butter. Now we're going to cream it together. So now we have 2 cups of confectioner sugar. We're not gonna add it all at once. We're gonna add some and then taste it because we don't want it to be really sweet. So we're going to add a tiny bit. So I have our cooled cupcakes, and we put our frosting in a piping bag and we cut off the tip. So you start from the outside and you just work your way in. Like that. And I dyed some of the frosting green and orange so I can put a carrot on top. So I have our orange here. So now we are going to take our green and we're going to make the top part. So just 2 little lines. And you're done. So we have our cupcake, the beautiful carrot on top. Now it is time to taste it. It is really good. Frosting adds a really good amount of sweetness, and the cake is really moist and dense and is a really good cake. But it's not mine. Let's see what Rosemary thinks. Okay, so we have Rosemary here to try it, and let's see if she'll eat it. Rosemary, you want this? Rosemary doesn't like it, but I bet Murphy does. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and watching me celebrate Rosemary's birthday. Don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys! Mwah. So we're just going to can't open it. It is really good. And the cream cheese frosting has a perfect amount of sweetness. The carrot is really pretty, and the carrot cake tastes like carrots. The frosting adds a really good sweetness, and the cake is really moisturized. Is that
keep going?
No, wait, can I try again?